Hello everyone, this is Jadash and in today's video I'll give you a demonstration of this tool WhatsApp bot. So this is a very useful tool as you can send automated replies to your customers or your WhatsApp users. Also, you can also send bulk messages to WhatsApp users even without storing or saving their contact details in your WhatsApp uh, phone. You can also send images or videos to your WhatsApp users or WhatsApp groups. So this is a useful tool in case you want to send bulk messages or you want to do some kind of campaigning and get leads out of that campaigning. So how to use this? This is a free tool and you can use this by going into this website WhatsApp g90.hidcoapp.com. So this is available for free into this URL. You can go to that URL and it will look like that. So how to use this? The first of all, you need to scan this QR using your uh, WhatsApp application in your phone. So just open your WhatsApp application, go to the link devices and click on link device. Give it a permission for scanning the QR and then we have to scan the QR. Once it is scanned, it will show you that Google Chrome Mac OS is connected. Don't get carried away. This is a server client, so it doesn't have any um, access to any of your messages or contacts. So it is made that way. So it will just be able to send messages to your WhatsApp user. That's it. So once your job is done, it will automatically log off. So you don't have to worry about anything. So once it is logged in, you can see that this window opens up automatically. Once you scan the keyword, this window opens up automatically. So in order to send messages, you need to have multiple things. So first of all, the phone number to whom you want to send the message. You can create a bulk sheet out of this, or you can create the column named as message, what message you want to send, or you can send message to groups. So just paste the group name. Remember, this is case sensitive, so you have to put the proper name of your group without any spaces, extra spaces, or any change in this uh, case. Next, you have to paste your image URL. You can upload your image in some external websites like Post Image, and then you can copy the URL and paste it into your Excel sheet. Now, the last part is the caption of that image. So the next part is that you have to go to file. You can download it as CSV and then you can upload it by clicking on this link. The other way around is you can directly publish to web as CSV, comma separated. You can copy this and then you can paste it here. So as you can see, it will automatically fetch the data from that URL. And now you have to select what kind of message you want to send. In case you want to send a private message, just select private message. Select the phone column or the column to whom you want to send the message. So this column represent the number to whom you want to send the message. This number should have 91 or the country code um, just upfront that number. Now the next part is you have to select the column or the message column, the message that you want to send. So just I'll select text message and then I'll click on send. You can go to the application and you can see this message is already sent. So this is how you send messages to contacts or phone numbers. And the other part is you can send images as your message. Select the image URL. This is the column which represent the image URLs. Now you'll select the caption. Okay, you can select caption or you can select message. It doesn't matter. It should be text. So yeah, select caption and then send. So this will result in sending images. As you can see that I have sent WhatsApp bot image to the user. The next part is whether you want to send a group message. You just have to select group message and then you have to select the name of the group. And if you click on the text message, it will send the user. See text group. Now you can send images or the image URL and send it to the user. You can see images are sent to the groups. Now you don't have to worry about signing out or something like that, because if you close this uh, tab, it will automatically sign out. As you can see, it have automatically signed out. In case it has not signed out, you can click uh, on the Chrome and then you can select sign out. So that's how you sign out from the tool. And don't worry, it doesn't fetches any of your message data. Everything happens in your browser and it is totally safe. So that's how you use WhatsApp bot and use it for doing advertisements and all those stuff. And you can also use this for sending bulk messages to all of your users. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this tool will be useful for you in some use cases. Thank you very much.